Hello everyone. Today I show you how to define a variable force in FreeCAD because a lot of problem in textbooks have variable forces and so in reality. And as you may know in FreeCAD there is only constraint force button. But with the help of macro I solved this problem and in this video I'm going to show you how. So let's go. First we sketch a line that represent our beam. Then we clear the console and we use split because the problem with the normal point is that you can't select them after closing the sketch. Now I create the macro and name it variable force. We copy that line in our macro. Now we go to FEM workbench and create a constraint force. First we select an analysis. When we do that, some codes appears in the Python console, but we can use these codes that I'm showing with the mouse because it works for a fun point, but we want to rotate this operation. So we just need the first line and these lines. Actually, I don't know exactly what these lines do, but I guess they are necessary when we want to define mesh for our part. Also, this line recomputes our document, so we see results in GUI. So let us try this way and see if we can find an appropriate command to define a vertex for our force. Okay, we can't use this tool, so let's try it this way. Well, yes, this is good, and you will see why if you watch the video till the end. First, we write counter x, then while. Uh, let's start with 3 points. Again, another while for the forces. Well, this is the split number, which must be equal to the point number. And we want the distance between point to be 1 millimeter. Now that's the reason I wanted the commands to be in this form, because I can change the name of these strings like that. For vertex, we need to add 1 to the x, because the first vertex we want to apply force is vertex number 2, as you can see. Okay, let's make a new sketch and test our code. Well, let me see what's the problem. Yes, we should first define a constraint force and then change its properties. And yes, we did. And lastly, we make it a variable force by defining a function. Here I use a simple one, but you can try whatever you like. You can't see the difference in GUI, but if you check here, you see the changes. Thank you for watching. In next video, I analyze a problem with the help of this macro, and we will see if this really work or not.